Hey guys, today I'll be trying out the magnetic lashes. So I've seen them like a million times online and I've been dying to try them out myself, and I finally got my hands on them and they look so good. So the ones that I pick up have like very natural design, so it's very good for everyday use. It's not too dramatic or whatever. And this is the black eyeliner that will help your magnetic lashes to stick onto your eyelid. Today I will be trying out the magnetic lashes for the first time on camera. So I've already done my makeup for today, and I didn't use any foundation today because I'll be heading out later and we are still sort of okay, it's not under quarantine, but we have to wear masks out at all time. So because of the fact that I will be wearing masks, I decided not to put any foundation. So I only used some concealer. I also added a little bit of blush to add some color to my face, and my lipstick and my brows. So that's all I have on my face right now. So after I do my lashes and my eyeliner, I will also be adding a bit of eyeshadow. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first I will be using this black liner, which is what they call the magic liner, which will act as a glue, I guess. And I'm not sure how the eyeliner will perform because personally I'm very particular with eyeliner, especially my outer corner of my eyes tend to get a bit oily throughout the day. So my eyeliner has to be very opaque and waterproof, so I'm not sure how this will perform. So probably later for my wing liner to the corner of my eye, I will be using my all-time favorite eyeliner. So this is just for the eyelash purposes. I will be using this. So excited to try. I hope this will look good so that I won't have to go and get my eyelash extension done anymore. Okay, so I'm going to open up this magic liner now. Okay, so that's how the tip of the eyeliner looks like. It's like a very tiny brush. I hope it's good. So I'm just going to apply this to my eyelid as a normal eyeliner, and I'll be using my mirror over here. Okay, so I've applied one thin layer of the black eyeliner on my eyelid right now. Not sure if you can tell on the camera. So the eyeliner is felt tip, so it's definitely not the best eyeliner in my opinion. I've tried way better eyeliner before, but this will just act as a base for my eyelash to stick on it. So after I apply the magnetic lashes onto my eyes, then I will use my own eyeliner to do the wing. So it's really easy to remove because there's a magnet over here. You just have to take it out. And now I'm just going to put this on my eyes. I'm just going to use my hand to put the eyelash onto my eyes because I'm very used to using my hands when I apply 4C for like so many years. So I'm just going to put this on my eye right now. Okay, it's done. Wow, that's really fast. That was 1 second. Comparing the eye with the magnetic lashes and the eye without magnetic lashes, what do you guys think? Is it nice? Does it look very natural? Okay, but it's not exactly very comfortable because I feel that this is poking my eyes a little. Maybe I apply too close to my inner corner. Okay, so now I'll just quickly do the same to the other eye. I will be using the same magic liner to line my eyes. Then I will use the magnetic lashes on the other eye as well. Wow, actually the difference is quite big. This is with the eyeliner and the magnetic lashes, and this is without. Okay, done with my eyeliner for the other eyes. I didn't apply too close to my inner corner because I want to stick the lashes more towards the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just going to attach the lashes to my eyes right now. It's really easy to apply, that I have to agree, but it's not the most comfortable in my opinion because I can feel that there is something on my eyes. and it's not very comfortable. But it looks pretty good. And now I'm just going to finish the eyes with my own eyeliner. So this is an eyeliner that I bought from Japan, and I'm just going to do a simple wing. Okay, done with my lashes for both sides. So this is how my eyes look like with the magnetic lashes on. It's really natural. I can barely tell that it's fake, and I really like the end result because it looks so natural. I can barely tell that I have any falsies or any magnetic lashes on, and it's really easy to use. It took like probably 3 seconds for me to put the lashes on, and I just really like how it looks on my eyes. Oh my god, I didn't expect myself to like it so much, but now I think I'm completely sold and I'm going to use it every single day. It is so easy to use and it looks so nice. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly show you how it looks. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly finish off my eyes using my eyeshadow palette. I will do a really simple matte eye look today. I probably should have done my eyeshadow before I put my lashes on, but it's okay. I'm just going to take a brown eyeliner to outline my lower lash line. I mean to tightline my lower lash line. And I'm just going to quickly highlight my inner corner using my eyeshadow palette. So as usual, I'll be using my Funny Girl to highlight my inner corner. Okay, done with my eyes. So this is how my eyes look like after the eyeshadow and also my brown eyeliner. So that completes today's video, and I really enjoy using the magnetic lashes, and you should totally try them out if you haven't tried them out before. So this is how mine looks like. I got them off an Instagram shop, so I'll probably link it down in my description box. You can go and check them out, and this is so natural. I really like this a lot, and I'm probably going to wear this every single day after today's video. So yeah, I'ma keep it right for you, baby. So today is just a really quick video of my so this is just a quick video of me trying out the magnetic lashes for the first time. And if you guys have any other makeup product that you would like me to try, just comment down in the comment section below and I'll try it for you guys. So see you guys next time. Bye!